Hello and welcome back to unboxing and having a look at a Commodore 64. I'm in the TV room. David Bradley here. I'm your host. Okay, so before carrying on, I'm going to remove the screws that hold the shielding in place. And if I'm not mistaken, there are 5 of them. And this is not. They're all also Phillips screws, but they're smaller than the case screws. And I try not to lose screws. There is the shielding. And compared to the original thing, the original Commodore 64 basically came with a piece of cardboard covered in foil. This is much better because these fingers go down and sit on a lot of the major chips and dissipate heat. And especially after all these years, heat is the enemy. So remove the shield, set it over there, reach inside, find all the wayward screws that I will set here. Don't leave any screws inside when you go to test it. There are still 2 more that are holding the board in place, and that's okay. Now you can run this without the shield. It's all right. Anyway, as I suspected, all the main chips are in sockets, and that is a beautiful, beautiful thing. Every single one. But now, does it work? I don't know. Stay tuned. We'll see. Thanks for coming to the TV room. Bye for now.